today I'm going to show you how to make this Greek yogurt chocolate mousse. It makes an indulgent high protein dessert and has only 4 ingredients, and I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below which has the recipe, full step-by-step instructions and everything you need to make this indulgent treat, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this chocolate mousse a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. So I very roughly chopped up 150 grams or 5 ounces of chocolate. You can use any chocolate you like. I've chopped it all up in there. And to that we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of milk. You can add in all milk or a combination of milk and cream, just make it up to 3/4 of a cup. And then for sweetness, it's up to you how sweet you like your sweet treats. I'm just going to add in 2 tablespoons myself. You can add in more to taste if you'd like, but we like it sweet just like that. Now we're going to pop it onto the stove top over low to medium heat and really just get the chocolate melted. So cook it until the chocolate is melted. So I've got it on the heat. Just stir it continuously to help everything along and just keep going till the chocolate has melted and you've got a lovely smooth creamy mixture. Really hasn't taken long at all. It smells so good as the chocolate melts away there. So just keep stirring it. We'll get all of the chocolate to melt. And there you go. We've got a lovely pool of chocolate. So we'll take it off the heat now. So I've taken it off the heat. You can it's still really steaming hot. We've got lovely melted chocolate mixture. Oh, it's very steamy. So I am going to just let it cool down just a little bit until it's almost room temperature. And then we will mix in the Greek yogurt. The melted chocolate has cooled down to almost room temperature, but it's cool enough now to mix through the yogurt, which we're going to do now. So I've moved the spoon out to make way for the yogurt. I'm going to pop in a whole tub of Greek yogurt. It's 2 cups of Greek yogurt going in. Then we'll whisk the yogurt in to combine together. And go, once you're happy that everything's well combined together, we can move it into a bowl for serving. I'm using this pretty pink bowl for serving, so I'm just going to move the mousse into the bowl. Let's smooth it out a bit. Perfect. And now my Greek yogurt chocolate mousse is done. Pop it into the fridge for a few hours just to thicken up, but you can have a look. It's already nice and luxurious and thick just like that, but it definitely thickens up once you've had it in the fridge for a few hours, and then you can serve and enjoy the lovely Greek yogurt chocolate mousse. So the chocolate mousse has been in the fridge for a few hours and it's set up beautifully and thickened, as you can see. Oh, look at that beautiful indulgent mousse. I can't resist having a little sneaky taste. It's super dark. We love our dark treats. The Greek yogurt gives such an incredible tanginess and flavor and richness to the dessert. It is just incredible, and I hope you'll give it a try and enjoy it too. But that is the video for today for how to make this Greek yogurt chocolate mousse that has only 4 ingredients and is a lovely high protein treat. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions and everything you need to make this incredible dessert. So thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye.